One of the games in your bag is called Race to the End. And for this game, there's a set of directions, a game board, 2 different colored counters, and a regular die. One of the reasons that this game is really helpful in preparing students for kindergarten is the idea of rolling a die and knowing how many dots there are without having to count them. And also just the idea of moving game pieces. Many of our math games include moving, and students, we want them to understand the idea of how we count our moves. And so the startup of this game, you have your 2 different players, so 2 different colored counters on start. And then I will have an example here of playing with Teddy. Do you want to go first?
Sure.
Now this is how we teach kindergartners to roll dice. Because dice, when you roll them, they can go all over the place and go rolling across the floor.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any good ideas about how we should roll
shake
it?
and then you just go like...
Yeah, I usually turn it to the side, but you could go off the ends of your fingers, and I keep it really close to me. Because if I go like this, watch.
Then it could go off the table.
Yeah, and it could go off the table, and it could get in some other kid's space. And so when we roll our die, I like to keep it off the game board, and I just like to keep it nice and close. Ooh, what'd you get?
2.
2. All right. What color do you want to be?
I'll be green.
Okay. And you went 2. What'd I get?
5.
Go.
Oh, and the first who gets to the end wins.
You got it. Our job is to get to the end, but we don't have to land there exactly. So I'll show how that works at the very end. We don't have to land on the end exactly. Your roll. What did you get? 4. Oh, you didn't even have to count those spaces, did you? You could just tell. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Green head.
Oh, goodness. It's going to happen. We're going to just share that little space right there, okay? This is like the closest game ever. Now here we are getting close to the end of the game, and I'm thinking, I wonder if I could win, because I don't have to land right on the word end.
Oh, so you could go over it?
Yeah, I could go over it, but I'm going to see. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't win it even in this roll, can I?
And I can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, so if you get 5 or 6, you could win it, right?
Mm-hmm.
But it's my turn. I can't win it, but I want to get close if I can. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what do you have to roll to win the game?
I need a 5 or a 6.
A 5 or a 6? Let's see. 3.
1, 2, 3.
Now, what do I need to win the game?
Or 4, 5, 6.
3 or 4 or 5 or 6. If I get a 1, am I going to win?
Mm-mm.
No. If I get a 2, am I going to win?
Nope.
No, man. I have pretty good chances of rolling a 3, a 4, a 5, or a 6.
Mm-hmm. 2.
Are you kidding me? 1, 2.
I'm going to win.
You think so?
3. 1, 2, 3.
There you go.